Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at the Sony XB01, which was given to me by a friend, so big shout out to him. And today we are doing a sound test against the Soundcore Mini. And yeah, we're just going to do a little sound test between these two speakers and let's just get it. Okay, so to start off we're going to play Levitate by Neoni and we're starting at 50%, only playing the Sony. We're not comparing it yet, but we're going to do that soon. Okay, here we go.
You sure do like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening. It's so fun in games until it doesn't toss me out. Now hit the ignition. Now you listen. Hop up in the window. Smaller and smaller you fade out. Hop up in the window. Yeah. You gotta give me fight. No, there's no way I'm flying high above your gravity. Trying to
60%.
Sorry, but we're not the same. No, we're not the same. Boo-hoo, poor you. Please forgive me, cause I don't feel any pity. I'm fed up with lies. You wanted my demise. Now you're watching me rise, rise, rise. Up in the window. Smaller and smaller you fade out. Up in the window. Yeah. You gotta give me fight. No, there's no way I'm flying high above your gravity. Trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, watch me levitate. You gotta give me fight. No, there's no way. You can say what you want, call me insane. Trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, watch me levitate. Watch me levitate. Hey, watch me levitate. In the window. In the window. In the window.
Watch me levitate, watch me levitate, watch me levitate, watch me levitate, levitate. Watch me levitate, watch me levitate, watch me levitate, watch me levitate.
Watch me levitate. You gotta give me fight. No, there's no way I'm flying high above your gravity. Trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, watch me levitate. You gotta give me fight. No, there's no way. You can say what you want, call me insane. Trying to bring me down, but I'll never stay. Hey, watch me levitate. Watch me levitate. Hey, watch me levitate.
And that was that. Okay, so next we've got Out on My Own by Fawn, and we're going to play it loud this time, so let's play it. %.
There's an empty place that you will never know. There's no way that I could do this on my
90%.
There's a way that I could do this song. There's an empty place that you will never know. There's a way that I could do this song.
Okay, that was quite loud, but now let's test it against the Soundcore Mini. Okay, so now we're going to compare the Sony to the Soundcore Mini, and we're going to play the same song, and yeah, let's hear it.
There's a way that I could do this song.
This is on the Sony. %. Soundcore Mini.
There's an empty place that you will never know. There's a way that I could do this song.
Sony. Soundcore.
There's an empty place that you will never.
Sony.
There's a way that I could do this song.
Okay, that was on 90%, so the Soundcore definitely sounds louder and more full, more bassy, more full somehow. But yeah, let's try the next song. Okay, so next is I Feel by Sun Chaser again, as I did in the last video, and we're starting on the Sony at 100% volume.
Watching the people, they're moving, intercepting for the chronicle. Holding Matiko,
Soundcore.
sharing the secret life. I got the real baby, magic, the mistake life. We're moving as a second of the universe. Slide happy, yeah. You lied, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Glide happy, yeah. So nice, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sony.
Sunshine every day. I'm moving to the way I feel. Moving into view. The rainbow that I drew. It makes me feel so new. I feel. I like to wake up in the light. I feel. I like to wake up.
Soundcore.
Testing the waters, they're flowing with the sturgeon of the seven seas. Saving my fishing line, I'm gonna catch the tide, let the fishes roll. Capture the secret life. I got to feel, baby, the comfort of the mistake. I'm
Sony.
going every second of the universe. Slide happy, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Glide happy, so nice, baby, yeah, 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 yeah. Slide.
Okay, I will say the Soundcore definitely is much louder and it just sounds better really. It also fires up if you haven't noticed already, whereas the Sony XB01 fires like towards here. The Soundcore fires up towards the ceiling, so that makes it sound a bit better. So, yeah. Okay, so next up we're going to do Bittersweet again by Time to Talk and Roses, and we're starting on the Sony and 100% volume. Let's go.
Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Oh, I'm still falling. Oh,
Soundcore.
but it tastes bittersweet. Oh, I keep on falling. Oh, I like the taste of it.
Sony.
I'm still falling, but it tastes bittersweet. I keep on falling. I like the taste of it. Blacking out, afraid just fading day by day. Reaching out for
Soundcore.
someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting plays a fool, but every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa,
Sony.
but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it.
Soundcore.
I'm still falling. Oh, but it tastes bittersweet. Oh, I keep on falling. Oh, I like the taste of it.
Okay, I think I'll leave it there. These are quite loud for their size, but the Soundcore is definitely louder. I think it might distort a little, but not very noticeable. I think the Soundcore is definitely better sound-wise in this case. Okay, so now we're going to play them both firing upwards, and we're going to have the microphone closer to the speakers so you can hear them more clear, and it's a bit more of a fair test as they are both facing upwards. So we're going to play Take Me As I Am by Sunchaser. The microphone is going to be above the speakers, and let's play it. Soundcore. Sony.
So take me as I am. Fill me in and love me. Love me. So take me as I am. Fill me in and love me, love me.
Sweet dreams by Eurythmics played in house clubs. I'm too sexy, did not.
Sony. Soundcore. Okay, and I think I'll leave it there. Okay, in conclusion, I think the Soundcore is much better. It goes on Amazon for about £20, £22, somewhere around that. And the Sony XB01, I'm not quite sure, but I think it goes for around £20 to £30 also. So definitely get the Soundcore Mini, as it's much louder, much more full, and its sound has more bass. And I don't know, it just sounds better overall. And it connects to Bluetooth faster as well. I've noticed that when I connect it to the tablet, it connects faster. It's just better all over around. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.